Alright, this is Math Lesson 2.8, Algebra Take Apart Numbers. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can show the ways to take apart a number. It says, Delilah has 3 apples. What are the ways she can share the apples with Catherine? So if you notice, we have 3 cubes for the 3 apples Delilah has. So we're going to color them with red and with yellow to show the different ways. So she could have if we color them all red, that means Delilah could have all of the apples and not share any with Catherine. So that means in our number bond, we have 3 apples altogether. Delilah would get 3, and Catherine would get 0. So our number sentence would look like this. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Another way that she can share them is that Delilah can have 2 apples and she can give Catherine 1 of those apples. So our number bond would look like this. We still have 3 apples altogether. Delilah would get 2 and Catherine would get 1. So our number sentence would look like this. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Another way that she can share her apples is that she can get 1 apple and she can share 2 with Catherine. If she did that, she would still have 3 apples, but this time she would get 1 and Catherine would get 2. And so our number sentence would look like this. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And the last way she can share her apples is that she can give all of her apples to Catherine, and she would not have any apples. If she did that, the number bond would still look like this. She would have 3. There would be 3 altogether. She would get 0, and Catherine would get all 3 of them. And our number sentence for that would be 3 minus 0 equals 3. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are doing take apart the number 7. So we're going to take apart 7. So let's go ahead and color. So the first way we can color, we can have all of them be red, or all of them one color. And if I have them all one color, that means I have 7 red minus 7 red equals 0. The next way I can have it is I can color all of them red except for 1. And we can have 1 yellow. So that would be 7 red, 7 cubes altogether, minus 6 red equals 1 yellow. For the next one, we'll color 1 less red. So we'll color 5 red. And then the rest will be yellow. So that number sentence is 7 minus 5 equals 2. Continuing on, instead of 5, we'll color 4. And the rest will be yellow. That number sentence will look like this. We have 7 altogether minus 4 red equals 3 yellow. The next one, instead of 4 red, we will color 3 red, and the rest will be yellow. That number sentence will be, there are 7 altogether minus 3 red equals 4 yellow. The next one will have 2 red, and the rest will be yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will have 5 yellow. And that one will look like this. 7 red minus 7 altogether minus 2 red equals 5 yellow. The next one will only have 1 red. And the rest will be yellow. So, we have 7 cubes altogether minus 1 red equals 6 yellow. And on the last one, we will only have yellow. And if we only have yellow, then we have 7 altogether minus 0 red equals 7. And let's notice the pattern. When you go down, let's look at these numbers. Oh, they all start the same because we're taking apart the number 7. And look at what happened in this column. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It went down by 1. And let's look at the last column. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It went up by 1. Let's try one more. So this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have ways to make the number 10. And I'm going to color my ways, and when I come back, you'll see that it magically has been colored, and then you will help me figure out the number sentences. All right, so all of them have been colored in, and we need to write some number sentences. So, how many did we start with all together? If you said 10, excellent job. Minus, how many reds do we have? Awesome, we do have 10 reds. And if we take away all 10 reds, how many do we have left over? 0, because any number, if you subtract all, you're going to end up with 0. Awesome job. So, on this one, how many did we start with? 10. Minus, how many red? 9 equals how many yellow? 1. Awesome. Let's try this one. How many do we have all together? 10 minus how many red? 8 equals how many yellow? 2. How many do we have altogether? 10 minus how many red? 7 equals how many yellow? 3. Awesome. How many do we have altogether? 10 minus how many red? 6 equals how many yellow? 4. Great job. Here we go. How many red? 10 minus how many yellow? 5 equals how many red? Sorry, how many red equals how many yellow? 5. Here we go. How many do we have altogether? 10 minus how many red? 4 equals how many altogether? How many yellow? 6. How many do we have altogether? 10 minus how many red? 3 equals how many yellow? 7. How many altogether? 10 minus how many red? 2 equals how many yellow? 8. How many do we have altogether? 10 minus how many red? 1 equals how many yellow? 9. Last one, how many red? How many altogether? 10 minus how many red? There are no red, so that's 0 equals how many yellow? 10. Awesome job. Do you notice a pattern? Yes, it's the same pattern as last time. Our first number stays the same. We go down, and then our numbers go up. Awesome job learning today.